Sorry about that, folks. I was having to erase the SD card. And yes, I made sure nothing important was on it.
More like fell.
I saw you're okay. Alright, no more front now. Here, take this down to Memo.
Can I do some real fireworks?
Take this down to Memo.
Wait, I can do that mini?
We're gonna take it down to Memo.
Can I do it?
You're not lighting any, no.
No, I can Memo light and I do it. Is the mini gonna shoot at me?
I don't know what it does.
It's a surprise. That's what it does.
Alex, put that in the bucket. Well, he won't be able to see it. Who?
Me? Not considering me.
We'll put the bucket over by the edge of the thing. Come here.
Oh my God. You're going in the house if you ain't listening.
Sit on the step. Sit on the step. Sit right here. Stay right here.
That all it do? And that goes.
Watch. There it goes.
Oh my God. Let's see. That means you're gonna run into a tag.
That's cool.
Dang it, I missed it because I zoomed in instead of out. Oh well.
That what I hit! Stop!
You didn't know the fountain.
Remember, was that a really good one?
What does that purple thing do?
Mom, can I do a fountain? Mom,
Sorry,
can you
my
see my
battery's
fountain?
dying. It's fine. There went there went some big ones right there in that smoke cloud. Alright, here. Give this to Memo.
Can I light it?
You can go down there with her and light it. I'm not lighting them.
Memo, can I what?
Don't touch Kevin, it's hot.
Oh, what?
Ah, I missed it. I didn't know what it did.
Oh, look, it's parachute.
Where?
Get him more of them.
Oh, can we do another one?
Where is it?
Here, go give this to Memo.
Is there another one?
No, just go give it to Memo. Where's yours, Alex?
Mom.
The mortars.
Over here.
Let me have them.
We're doing one?
Yes.
Like now? Oh, I have it. Sorry.
Go get them in. Let me get this in. Burn yourself.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Turn on your
So
flashlight.
stick your hand in that water. Put stuff on and watch what they do. Watch. Stay right here. Sit right here. Sit right here in
No,
this chair.
I want to watch how you. I do it good. Ow. Rainbows? That sucks. It was. Oh. I know.
Get it out. Just give me a minute.
Oh, one of mine.
Hey, what?
What are you doing?
Get my hand off because I burned myself. Oh.
Oh, there went one over there. That was not ours. Oh, no, that's just a lightning bug.
Here's your two.
Don't
One of your
look
two.
that I burned, but I do.
No,
Like, I
no.
told you do it in a pool. a poor bit.
We've got 4 tubes.
It blows the tubes up. Now you're gonna have to get all this and put it back up.
Yep.
I don't even know where those the halogen lamps go.
In there, she said.
Mom, can I say one first for it?
No.
Put it where it's gonna be good tree.
No.
I was about to say that.
I know. What'd you say?
Yeah, on the board.
That parachute, I didn't know the bottom was hot, so, and it was really hot, and I punched myself. Like, if somebody get...
Stay up here, Colton.
Come, stay up here, go, go, go!
Cover your ears. Cover your ears. It's
I don't
loud.
need
Look
to.
up high.
Woo! Okay, that was the first one. Adjust the shot.
Here.
I want to see it.
Here. Colton, take this down to memory. This is not hot, but do not pull this string off.
Why?
Because that's what they like.
Alex got the lighter.
Oh, Joe, he's got one.
Got the lighter.
That's bullshit. Dude, that's not dude, look. What? What, Alex? Come on.
Cover your ears. Cover your ears.
I didn't not even need to take that down to them.
What?
Is it raining? Is it raining?
It's raining shrapnel.
Here.
Take it down to them.
That's a fountain.
No! Guys, you do
Have a lighter.
Bubba's got the lighter.
Oh, sorry.
calm down here. Let sheep away. Stop! Don't run there.
Is that one a firework?
No, this one is the fountain.
No, I'm talking about that one.
This one?
That one.
This one?
That one.
Yes, it'll melt.
She'll do it. No, put it on the board.
How's that taste like?
Something just blew up, Alex.
Colton, back up here.
You're gonna watch the snakes down through there, and you're running around in the dark.
Get up here and stay on this porch.
Another fountain next.
Can I take it down? Can I take it down?
Hold on, I gotta open it.
Oh my god. What up, everybody?
Oh, no. Leave it alone.
Here.
To me?
No, your brother. You stay on the porch.
No! I want to keep on menu.
Okay, here we go. Run, Forrest.
Run, boy!
Oh, that's nice.
Is that a good one? Let me get out the egg. Let me go to egg.
Whenever it's time for it to end.
Here.
Right there.
Fountain.
I want to go down.
You're supposed to
Can
fly
I
up in the
please
air,
run
so
away
light it
from-
and run. I hear a frog.
Yeah,
Don't sit on that.
Sit
I can't
here.
get back up.
I said before.
Back up, Colton.
I want to run. No.
out from behind Bubba so it don't.
Up here, Colton, now. I don't know what that does.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, that was.
Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter.
That was silly.
It was some like a helicopter.
Oh, wait, you're scaring me.
Okay, what's next?
On the porch.
Okay.
Okay.
Down, you need to go down. There you go. Whoa, right there. Well, move out.
Okay, leave it alone.
Oh my. Mom, next time gonna go down there, boy.
Here. Fuse
Yes,
right here.
yes,
Stick it in
boy.
the canister for your mortar.
Yeah, pan it up, pan it up.
Move that
I know that.
top down.
Away from that tree, there was a snake.
Oh,
Well,
Up here.
get over here.
yeah.
On the side of it.
Turn. Ooh.
Oh,
250th 4th of July!
That was the free one.
that's a mouse. Oh my. I don't want more than that. What out?
Nice. That was a nice. That was that free one. But free because we spent
Spent
down
enough.
$199.
Okay. You can do these, but do not shoot at each other.
Wait, I
Look
can
at me. You do not hold this in. You take your hand, you hold it right here. You hold it out away from you. You do not point it at the house or at Bubba.
Okay.
And when it'll shoot one, and then you gently just shake it like that to get it to shoot the next one.
Okay.
That's 5 shots.
Oh my gosh, it's 5 shots. I haven't seen this show.
Here,
Bow,
Bubba.
bow, 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 bow.
There's one for you, and if Mary wants to do one, I'm not going down there. So.
Run around my candle. You want the red one or the blue one?
I don't care.
You get the blue one because it's your favorite color.
Colton, come do me a
you
favor.
have
Wait.
the yellow one?
Is
No.
this a yellow one?
No. The
She's
same
holding the
3
red.
colors.
She's holding the red.
He's holding red.
And I'm
Or
holding
pinkish.
Yay.
Hand me my cup, Colton, and then y'all go down in the
Oh,
ground.
this one.
Is this all we got
What
left?
it is?
It's water, but it may have stuff in it.
Is this all we got left?
We've got those, we've got some more rockets, and we've got some more mortars. Oh, and we got one more little fountain thing that I'm not really sure what it does.
Coming
Might
down.
be one of those.
Manu, you go first.
Why?
Yeah.
You're closest.
Back up.
I don't know.
Jump back.
Oh, wow, Colton! Up here!
I don't know.
Move back out. 5.
Colton, over here. You're not running around that house in the dark.
I was running.
Get back down there and let Bubba light yours next.
You stay right here. Stay right here.
Aim it up high, Alex.
I don't to watch on his camera.
Ooh, look at yours going far.
Oh my gosh, I see him. Oh.
Good job, Alex. All right, come do his. Come sit by me.
How do I do
Aim it
mine?
out there.
How do I?
Well, Bubba's gonna light it for you. Move that over there. We gotta pick up all this debris. What are we gonna shoot some more tomorrow night? If so, let's go ahead and be done tonight.
Well, I'll do like 2 more mortars and be done.
Shake it a little bit. Show it, Mama.
There you go.
Woo!
That way. Woo! Yours is going up.
Boy.
Woo! That one went far.
get like half of yours because you
Alright,
kept
come
moving
put
it.
them in the bucket.
Alright.
Come put them in the bucket.
Can I like?
Wait, not your hand. Take those and put them in the bucket so that they
No.
get put out.
Heck no.
Here's a mortar, here's a mortar.
I
Let's
know,
see
but-
what it does.
Here you go, take these out.
Alex, just leave it in the bucket. We'll come clean the bucket out tomorrow.
Yeah, especially if we're gonna do some
Do
more.
some more.
We gotta go get all that up, but I'm not doing it tonight while it's still hot.
I'm gonna take this.
Pick these up.
Don't grab it by the end. Don't grab
I'm
it.
taking this out in the field so it gets a
Don't
better
grab it
view.
by
Don't
Because
grab it by the end. Pick it up by the middle. Yes, and put it in here.
And the other one too. Yep.
Yep.
I need a light.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah, it's lightning. I love it. Woo! Why did I do the most girly scream ever? Don't move.
People do too much. Oh, damn, what do you know about mine and down and approaching that? Come back here. Leave it.
Not us. You didn't miss anything due to my stupid little brother. On the board, down, down.
We're doing this one.
I know. Like, shine it directly on the board. No, don't mess with it. How many times do I got to goddamn through it? Put him on the board.
Oh, shit. Bah.
Back up, Cole. No, flip back up. No, back up. Hey, look. I don't know what he's gonna do.
That's it for the night, folks. I will edit this footage and get it out as soon as I can. Tomorrow night we will have the butt ready and the fireworks, the rest of the fireworks. Thank you for tuning in to the ASI channel.